Hey everyone, in this video we'll be showing you how to fix iMessage notifications on iPhone. So, first, make sure you have a stable internet connection, and once you've done that, head to Settings and go to Notifications, and then go to Messages and make sure Allow Notifications is turned on, and everything else is set to the way you want. And then, if that doesn't work, scroll down to Messages and turn off iMessage and turn it on again, and it should now work. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please leave us a like, comment if you have any more questions, and subscribe to our channel for more content like this in the future. Bye!